Hello traders, good evening. Today 21st of May 2022 and I'd like to analyze the Nifty stock, Nifty index with the WT Gann level analysis with the basic price action. So first of all, I would like to plot the WT Gann fatal number of the 15777 which I already analyzed in the last week, and the market is able to hold it properly by following this higher low formation on the upward side. Okay, now the question is, market is holding the level, but it is going to trick the people who did not have the knowledge of the technical properly. So now, if you see how you cannot be tricked by the market and follow the proper levels as well. So if I plot the WT Gann level, very basic square of 9 levels, all of these levels are very basic square of 9 levels. So this is the 16,000 level I plot with the color red. Then 16th, above the 16,000 the level is the 17,000. Okay, so these two are the square of 9 levels. So basically these two are the very major levels. So if you see, knowingly or unknowingly, market is following the 16,000 level as the support as of now. So in the day of 17th May, the market closes above the 16,000 and the closing price was 16,259. It's also closed above the 16,250. If you see the square of 9 as a 25% retracement value level, in that case you can find the 16,250 as a another resistance when the market closes above it. So market closes above the level, then next day market opened above it, market again closes below that level of the 16,250, and the next day market fall all below of the 16,000, saved by the 15,777, and again opened up opened above the 16,000, crossed it, and now closed above the 16,250. So why I am telling you all of this very basic level to give it some more importance. So basically, if you see the level of the 16,250 worked very prominently in the earlier stages also. Now if you see, when the market came at the very near of the fatal number, so Gann always give the very importance to the number 7. So if you ever read any kind of Gann books, the number 7 is very much described with the underline. That means it is very much important for the stock market. So the here the square of 9 levels are going to match the fatal number very soon. But if you see in the earlier time also, the 16,250, how it did work. Now when the market each every time they came above this level of the 15,777, the market went, market just create a panic at around those levels. So if you see in the earlier time of the June, the month of June in the previous year, the market was keep on continuing closes above or below on this 15,777. So after that, market create a very big rally. Now it's not all about the 15,777. Above the 15,777, if you see, you can also consider the next level of the above the 15,000. It is the 17,777. Now the question is, in the 17,777, how do we can analyze the market like the 15,777? So here, to analyze the market, there are two ways to do it. First of all, you can analyze the market with the very basic way, that closes above the level or the closes below the level. In that way, you can find out the destination of the next way. Now, second thing, you can follow it is called the Gann chart. Okay. So even if you open the square of if you see the Gann analyst software which is available for free, if you open the Gann chart, you will find the chart like this. Okay, you will find the chart like this. Now the Gann always use this chart. Okay, now Gann always use this chart, and according to him, this one is the this bar chart is look like a very much helpful for Gann to analyze his trade. Now the question come, the how did he determine this kind of this kind of chart scenario in his trade? So I'm going to now look at this chart from look. I mean, how you can look with this chart in the market. Now you can find how you can find the destination of the charts or destinations of the next trade using this bar chart. So if you see now, let's come to the 17,777 number at this point. So when the market closes above this level, when the market closes above this level, the Gann always try to follow one method, that is the breaking of the high. So you can see the market did not able to close above it, touched and fall back, touched and fall back. Now here the market properly closes above this one. The closes at 17,822. Now according to the Gann, if you want to trade above it, you need to just mark the high of this level when the bar chart is going to close above or below it. Now you need to wait for next 3 days. It is the Gann method of trading. You need to wait above. You need to just wait 3 days above or below it. Now here above this, the first day market did not able to close above, second day not, third day not. So it is a sign of the market is not yet trending. Okay. Now next market closes below it. Okay. Now you just opened it and you can see the same thing is around happening in the corner. Now question is there any kind of another thing which Gann use the bar chart or the candlestick chart? So according to me, it's not my own opinion that in the candlestick chart, if you see, like if I open the bar chart again, here if you open the candlestick chart, so difference between the bar chart and the candlestick chart is nothing but the role of psychology. So what is that? So according to the psychology, the candlestick chart itself, when the one candlestick is in making, so it always indicate in some of the direction. So according to Gann, if you want to work with the data, if you want to work with the chart should be neutral. So even sometimes the people, I don't know either uh, this one is there or not, but if I see, no, this one is not there, but sometimes I see people follow the Gann followers, they always use this bar chart without having any color on it. So that means the colors should be neutral, because we are working on depend on this only, we are working on depend on this only, the level. So we are not working any kind of direction biased on according to the chart. Okay, so candlestick itself always a bias chart according to me, or any kind of, if you even working with the chart. Now that doesn't mean that this is holy grail on anything related to it, because if you see here, the market closes first candle, market closes second candle, market closes third candle, so according to it the market should be go on the upward side, right? But if you see here, the market turned down, and the market 1 2 3, the 3 days market keep on below it, and market now fall from this particular level. So the question is, can we completely eliminate this process of the change in trend or change in the process? Yes, you can eliminate this process more, not completely, but up to 70-80% using the price on time squaring. Okay, so that's it as of now. I'm not I'm not clearly saying that what is the price of time square over here, how you can calculate it, and how you can find out the perfect time and the perfect square over here. But I am here giving you the free learning process with the price. So, but it doesn't mean that you cannot use this method with your chart or not. You can always use that, because if you see, like with any kind of stock or it, like even if in this stage when the market is completely going here and there, you can find the very good direction according to it, because if you see, the 3 bar closing method is perfectly working over here. So you can be completely safe in this range, and you can find this clear golden rally, and you can find this clear golden rally with this method. So you can try this method with any kind of stocks, any stocks, any commodity and all, and just use the fatal number over here. And the basic fatal numbers I am mentioning over here is the 11,777, 13,777, 15,777, 17,777, okay, 19,000, 777. Okay, now these are the based on the Nifty, and let just I'm just giving you the very important level. I mean, just wait for the, I'm giving you the State Bank of India level also. You can do this exercise by your own. Okay, now with the State Bank of India, the fatal numbers will be 307, 377. Okay, so there are many numbers are there with the Gann theories. You can always learn it. You can always learn it, and you can get benefit out of it, and you will be able to find your own trade with this. Sorry, this is not. So with the Gann, you can see the fatal numbers over here are the 177 and 377. So you can see the levels are perfectly working with this. Now you are getting the level, you are getting the trend like here to here, the completely 100% rally with this number in the State Bank of India. And according to this number, you can still holding the shares from this range to that range. Okay, now you get a very good, very quick selling pressure over here. Literally later on, you are getting the buying pressure above it. Now you can also eliminate this process with the time squaring, definitely. And in between there are many trades, because with this fatal number and the Gann chart, you cannot determine all of the stocks, but you can definitely get some idea, rough idea according to it, that how the Gann number work. There are many more vibration number is there, so you can find each and every stock at a different number vibrating. So you can see the how much powerful those numbers are, and market take the exact support and resistance at over it. Now I mentioned many numbers. So how to use those number, how to find the exact number according to any stock, or how you can find the perfect, not perfect, but the proper vibrational number of any stock. Definitely you have to learn it to get an idea about it. And that's because the it's all about the learning and implementing the proper things, with the by generating proper skills. And this is all about the stock market. Okay, so that's it as of now.